Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to get rich on the game Animation Throwdown. So this works in 2026 on iOS and Android. So let me open up the game right now, and as you can see, we are not exactly rich people in the game, but if I press this button, I can actually add unlimited gems. So I just turned it up. So let's see if the gems start increasing, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get this Animation Throwdown modded version. So I'm going to wait for it to load up just so you guys can see that the money does start going up. So let's see what happens. And hopefully, oh my gosh, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you're broke, you have got to try this out. So yeah, all you have to do, guys, is go to your phone browser. So what we're going to do is go to the website tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in. So in this website, guys, there's going to be a lot of apps and stuff, which is all modded. So let me just type it in. So what I'm going to do is just go and put Animation Throwdown. Go ahead and press install, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then you should get the Animation Throwdown modded version. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. But yeah, let's see what happens. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So we got all the stuff, Apple and Android logos. So it does work on both. So let's just see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it's loading. And it's just going to say like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. So you can see we got Travel Town, TikTok. There's a video if you're confused. But that's how to get Animation Throwdown mod. So you can get unlimited money. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if I go to the App Store and put in Animation Throwdown, you guys will see it's quite expensive. So let me just type it in. So here's the game. You do not need the game installed to do this, by the way. It's a separate modded version. But as you can see, the in-app purchases are quite expensive. So if you guys want to pay for that, that's up to you. But I'm not going to do that personally because I'm not about that. So yeah, so one thing I'll say though is make sure you go to settings and you got background app refresh turned on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So that's how to get rich on Animation Throwdown 2026. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you're going to be good to go, guys. So super cool. I've looked into some other methods and I haven't been able to find anything that works. So I just thought I'd share this one because it is fully updated and everything. So yeah, guys, Animation Throwdown, free money coming your way. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. As you can see, unlimited currency. And there is anti-ban in here as well, so you're not going to get banned. So that is so cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you guys want to get rich on Animation Throwdown. Because this is actually working and everything. So I don't think there's going to be any problems, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if this works for you. So yeah, it's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, be sure to try it out. I haven't had any problems. As you can see, the money is there. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome and it totally works. So yeah, guys, peace out, my gang.